First, take out 5 color lines and put them in slots 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, 5 and 6 respectively. Step 1. Take line 5 on line 4, line 3, line 2 and line 1 with double knots on the left hand at this time. Line 5 is left in slot 1. Step 2. Take line 6 to line 7, line 8, line 9 and line 10 and tie the right hand double knot. At this time line 6 will be left in slot 10. Repeat step 1 to step 2 until the length is appropriate. Then cross the 2 woven twill bracelets together until the end of the pattern and put the lines in slot 1 to 10, respectively. Finally, take line 1 on line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 5 and tie the right hand double knot. At this time, line 1 will be left in slot 5. Take line 10 on line 9, line 8, line 7, line 6 and line 5 and tie the left hand double knot. At this time, line 10 is left in slot 5.